Close your eyes for a moment and remember that time when the perfect person entered your life at precisely the right moment. That book that fell into your hands exactly when you needed its message. That delay that saved you from disaster. You called it luck, coincidence, chance. But what if I told you it was none of those things? What if everything, every meeting, every message, every moment is arriving exactly when it must? I am the monk of Matrix, and today I share with you one of the most profound truths from the ancient masters. The secret of divine timing. We live in a world obsessed with timing. Too early, too late, behind schedule, missing the moment. But the Bhagavad Gita whispers a different truth. The soul is never born, nor does it die. It is unborn, eternal, ever existing. If the soul is beyond time, then how can you be late? The Upanishads teach us that what we perceive as time is Maya, an illusion. Behind this illusion flows Rita, the cosmic order, where everything moves in perfect rhythm. That moment you thought you missed, it wasn't your moment. That door that closed, it was guiding you to the right one. Life is not random. It is choreographed by a wisdom far greater than your plans. In China, they call it Tao, the way. In India, Leela, the divine play. In the West, synchronicity. Different words, same truth. Divine timing is the meeting point between your readiness and life's generosity. Think of a seed. Can you force it to bloom? Can you command the bud to open before its season? No, it blossoms when sun, soil, and season align. Your awakening works the same way. The Vedic masters understood this. They spoke of Kala, not just time, but the right time, the moment of ripeness. You cannot demand understanding. You cannot pull enlightenment toward you. But when you are ready, truly ready, the universe responds. Not because it suddenly decided to help you, because you finally became capable of receiving what was always being offered. Here is the secret the ancient teachers knew. Truth is always here, like sunlight pouring through the sky. But if your windows are closed, you see only darkness. The Mundaka Upanishad says, when the student is ready, the knowledge reveals itself. A child hears wisdom and laughs. An awakened heart hears the same words and weeps. Nothing changed except the listener. This is why revelation comes in the most ordinary moments. You're walking, breathing, doing nothing special. And suddenly there it is. A knowing, a clarity. As if the universe whispered directly into your soul. It wasn't sudden. You were simply ready to hear what was always being spoken. Readiness is everything. And readiness cannot be rushed. But you ask, what if I miss my moment? What if I'm already too late? Listen carefully. What is meant for you returns again and again, like the tide meeting the shore. If you do not hear today, life whispers tomorrow. The Bhagavad Gita assures us, no effort on this path is ever wasted. Every step, even the ones that felt like failures, was necessary. You are not behind some cosmic schedule. You are not being measured against another's journey. You are exactly where you must be. The masters teach, comparison is the death of peace. Your path is yours alone, perfectly tailored, precisely timed. Trust this. Every detour you cursed was a redirection. Every delay you feared was protection. Every closed door was guidance. You thought you were being pulled a course. You were being guided home. The Vedas speak of Rita, the cosmic order that governs all things, not as rigid law, but as intelligent flow. Like water finding its path around rocks, your life flows where it must. The obstacles weren't mistakes, they were teachers, and the path, even with all its turns, was perfect. Do not wait for the perfect moment to awaken. Do not wait until everything aligns. This now is the moment. This breath, this heartbeat. The universe is never silent. You simply weren't listening. Until now. You are not broken. You are not forgotten. You are not late. Life moves in perfect rhythm, and you are part of that dance. This is the first teaching from the monk of Matrix, a space where ancient wisdom meets modern understanding, where the timeless insights of Vedic masters, Upanishadic seers, and spiritual luminaries from every tradition come alive. If this message found you today, it was meant to. And if you're ready for more, I invite you to join this journey. Subscribe to this channel. Ring the bell. Because what comes next will transform how you see everything. Every week, I've shared the profound teachings that change my life and can change yours. From the Bhagavad Gita to the Upanishads, from Sufi mystics to Zen masters, from the hidden wisdom of the Vedas to the realized masters of today. This is your invitation. The door is open. Step through. Remember, you didn't find this channel. It found you, exactly when it should. Until next time, Trust the timing of your life. I am the monk of Matrix, and your awakening has already begun.